name's Amanda and I'm going to be unboxing your April Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to be greeted with your info card, and this box's theme is the Brainy Bunch, and you're going to love all the fun that I'm going to go over that comes in your box this month, but stay tuned to the very end because I'm also going to go over all the digital downloads that you have access to. So let's get to it. You're going to be greeted with your art print of the month. This box's theme is Women of Science, and you're going to love all these influential women that are on this art print, and on the back it doubles as a note-taking card. You are also going to keep your drinks cool this month with your Helping Curious Minds Grow koozie. Your students are going to get a kick out of this. This is a gravity-centered timer. It goes from 15, 20, 30, 60 minutes, and you simply just drop it and it starts the timer. So this one's a fun one to have in your classroom. You are going to get a fun measuring tool, and it says, "Why, yes, I'm always right." It's perfect for those angles, and a fun one to add to your teacher collection on your desk. You get some beauty tools this month, and this one's a collagen refresher one, so perfect for some self-care needs, teacher friends. You're also going to get a cool crush pen that you can use, and so that one's a fun one to add to your teacher collection. You are going to get a new wallet. It is a pretty neutral color. It has a zipper to add any little things like coins or money, and some ID holders in there. And this one says Teacher Head Chaos Coordinator. But you also are going to get a new name badge collection, so I love this neutral color here. So perfect to hold your name badge this month. Plus, stay organized with some magnetic cord organizers, so perfect for your classroom or to add and throw into your teacher bag. Love these, but the fun doesn't end there. You're also going to get access to some new printables this month. So your first one is your April calendar. You're going to get your weekly planner. This one's some fun, pretty colors to use, and I love the little science theme. And the science theme continues into some activities. So you have a STEM cup challenge, STEM marble challenge, and a STEM boat challenge. So these are some fun ones to put out. Plus you have some differentiated edition cards that also come in color and black and white. So you've got some fun little puzzles to put out for some morning work and to add to your classroom collection. Your students are going to have so much fun. I can't wait for you to get your April box this month, teachers. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you back for our May box. Bye.